Alright, here we go. You guys ready? Here comes the roll. We got 9 times. 9 times. Okay, guys, here's who I got. I got Doug F. I got William B. That's lineman. I got lineman 9 times. He got 5 full and he won 4 in a Razz. I got Elizabeth M. That's UFO. Won 2 in a Razz. I got Novate P. Or Novate. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Novate P. That's Brahmin with 2 spots. And Carly M. is Griff with 4 spots. Does that look correct to everybody? Before we go 9 times? No problems? Okay, here we go. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, guys. William B has B. Elizabeth M has C. Novate has D. Elizabeth has F. William has G. Carly has H and J. William has K and L. Doug has M. Novate has N. William has P and R. Carly has S. William has T and V. Carly has W. And William has Z. So if we pull a Mike Zanino, it's going to William. Alright, guys, you want to make any trades? I'll give you a second to take a look at the spreadsheet if you want. Let me know if you're writing down your letters and stuff, or let me know if you're good to go. I'm ready to go when you guys are. Good to go? We're good to go? Okay. I was waiting on you, lineman, since you got so many spots. Okay, here we go. Good luck to you guys. Don't need a knife on this one. You just gotta pick the seal off. The boxes are really nice on this. Actually, I think I need this seal. I'm going to ship it in this box. It's pretty nice. And it has a display case in here as well. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Go. There's a seal in case somebody wants it. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh, I gotta take this one off too. Silly me. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got a white ball. A white ball. Does anybody recognize that signature? You guys want to take guesses at it, or you want me to show you the card? I can't really read what it says. Okay, guys, let's see who it is. Avisail Garcia. Avisail Garcia. Outfielder for the White Sox, I believe. Avisail Garcia is going to William B. William B. Avisail Garcia. White Sox outfielder. Congrats, William B. Avisail Garcia. Doesn't quite look like Avisail Garcia, but it's definitely Avisail Garcia. Yeah, he's an outfielder prospect for the... He was on the Tigers, and then he got traded to the White Sox, I believe. He's a decent prospect. It's no Babe Ruth. No Babe Ruth, unfortunately. Yeah, I'll ship it out in this nice box, so it's a pretty cool wooden box. Congrats, lineman.